Welcome. In this video, I will show you what to do if you cannot access your Motorola Razr Fold smartphone using your lock screen pattern. So, in such case, in order to regain access to the smartphone once again, we will either have to reach out to Motorola customer support service directly, or we're going to have to perform a factory reset operation and erase all data from our smartphone. Now, of course, the first option is better. So if you have a proof of the ownership of your device, then you can reach out to Motorola customer support service, tell them about your issue, and they'll be able to help you out and resolve this issue for you without you losing any data from your smartphone. Now, if you do not have such an option, then you're going to have to perform a factory reset operation. And there are two ways to do that. You can either perform factory reset operation remotely or locally. To perform it remotely, you're going to have to open the web browser on any other device that you have around. So it might be your other smartphone, it might be your tablet, it might be your PC or your laptop or whatever. Once you enter the web browser, you have to search for the FindHub website and then open it. Once you open this website, make sure to sign in to the same Google account that you are signed in on your Motorola Razr Fold. You'll be able to see, once you do that, you'll be able to see your Motorola Razr Fold on the list. And if you select this from another device, you'll be able to go to devices settings and find factory reset option. If you select it, you'll be able to perform factory reset remotely. Once the factory reset is performed, you'll be able to set up your device once again and even restore your data from the backup if you prepared one beforehand. The other way to perform a factory reset operation is locally. In order to do this, we have to unfold our device, which is very important, otherwise it won't work. And now we're going to have to force restart our smartphone. To do that, we're going to have to press and hold power button and volume down keys together and wait until the screen goes off. Once the screen goes off, we want to release both keys and then press both of them once again and keep holding them until this menu pops up on the screen. Using volume keys, navigate between different modes until you reach recovery mode, and once you reach it, press the power button. Then wait for a couple of seconds. You are going to see the Android robot line on your screen with no message, no comment message. Now, to go through this robot, we're gonna have to press and hold the power key and short press the volume up button. Now, here we are in the recovery mode. Now, what we want to do here is go to wipe data / factory reset option. To navigate, use up and down arrow keys. To select, press power button. Once you select wipe data / factory reset option, on the following screen, you're going to have to select factory data reset to confirm your choice. Once you do that, you'll see some logs appearing at the bottom of your screen, and you'll get redirected to the main page. We're just going to have to select Reboot System Now and wait until your Motorola is restarted. And then once your device is restarted, you'll be able to set it up once again. So that's what you do in such a troublesome situation. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.